You want to take one? Go for it. The first one's for you. IMF. Do you see IMF holding crypto assets in the future? I did not put that up there.
Remember, I'm from the legal department. I'm supposed to be very conservative about these things. I don't want to go into great details about
Maybe
the IMF.
I should take what the IMF is going to do.
Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag SoloNation. How's it going, my people? Hope everyone's well. Appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel. We're giving you updates on Sologenic, XRP and Coreum. Hit the like button. That pushes the channel through the analytics and helps the channel grow. So shout out to Jack Rippler. Jack Rippler posted breaking news. International Monetary Fund IMF is developing a digital currency platform to enable transactions between countries. He says, do you remember when Brad Garlinghouse joked with Ross Lecco about XRP? It's all planned. XRP the standard. Brad Garlinghouse seemed very excited in this clip that we just saw there, people. The other guy, Ross, who works for the IMF, he was trying to be more conservative. He didn't want to break the news. Brad wanted to let the news out. It's all planned, my people. XRP the standard. So Brad Garlinghouse tweeted a couple of days ago, as a major global financial center, Singapore led the way in taking a pragmatic, innovation-first approach to crypto. We're incredibly proud at Ripple is one of a handful of firms to receive in-principle approvals for a MAS MPI license for digital payment token services. I saw this post the other day. Truth Seeker posted. He said, I could post a bunch of images pertaining to the Titanic Federal Reserve financial system rabbit hole. But really, no one's got time for that. This is all you need to see. And this looks like a post from CZ. I went back to look through CZ's tweets. I couldn't see it. So if he posted this, he deleted it. If he tweeted it, he deleted it. But nevertheless, it says, when the Titanic sinks, little floats near it get dragged down too. But the floats will eventually come back up if they are untethered. Now what does this mean, my people? He says when the Titanic sinks, little floats near it get dragged down too. But the floats will eventually come back up if they are untethered. What does CZ know? Something that we don't know. Is tether okay? Is tether gonna be here for the long haul? Tether was I believe tether unpegged. It was unpegged for a short period of time. I don't know where it is now, but that's something to think about. And looks, software entropy said let that sink in. It's crazy out here. So crypto bubbles. Markets on green. Bitcoin Cash up 35% in the last 24 hours. Phantom down minus 13.5% in the last 24 hours. But we're seeing green. So can we maintain the green? We'll see how it goes, my people. We're just waiting for Sologenic and Coreum to get on that list, as I keep saying. Shout out to SoloNation OG Club. Shout out to young Brendo, my brother, doing a great job for the SoloNation community, for the Sologenic community, hosting weekly Twitter spaces for us to all to interact. So young Brendo, SoloNation OG Club retweeted Starforge at Starforge IBC. Alas, even more utility has been added to the SoloNation OG Club as a means to pay homage to one of the best communities in crypto. Each NFT now generates Coreum rewards from the Starforge validator. 1% of the commission will be distributed monthly to holders. Yeah, will be distributed monthly to holders beginning August the 1st. So shout out to Starforge. It's a good look, very good look for the SoloNation community. Shout out to Young Brendo, shout out to SoloNation OG Club. So Sologenic posted about 15 hours ago. They said, discover the expansion Sologenic ecosystem hashtag built on XRPL. Sologenic DEX seamless asset trading on a widely used XRPL decentralized exchange. Effortless swap tokens with instant speed, advanced charting tools, and customizable dashboards. NFT marketplace, cost-effective minting and trading, bringing creator tools into the ecosystem for a utility-driven NFT space. Market index, track the most popular XRPL tokens and make informed trading decisions based on comprehensive and accurate data. Token issuance, a user-friendly tool for projects to create a token and seamlessly list it. For projects to create a token and seamlessly list it on the DEX. IDO tools, amplify your initial DEX offering. IDO, providing the right information for potential investors. Maximize visibility and engagement for your project. Trust score, operate on a secure ecosystem backed by a community voting mechanism. Build transparency and accountability within the ecosystem. Join the future of decentralized finance and unlock endless possibilities with Sologenic. So shout out to Sologenic. Reza also retweeted Uphold. And they've tweeted, move Coreum between your Uphold and external wallets. Our latest integration allows you to self-custody Coreum, giving you more control over your digital assets. Learn more about Coreum Official. So you can now move Coreum between your Uphold and your external wallets, which is a good look, my people. Very good look. Very, very good look. Self-custody, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. So look, people, we've got the Bank of England surprises with 50 basis point rate hike to tackle persistent inflation. So this is what's going on over here, my people. Look, Thursday's 50 basis point hike surprised markets, which had priced in a smaller rise. Policymakers are walking a tightrope as they attempt to tighten monetary policy sufficiently to quell inflationary pressures without triggering a full-scale mortgage crisis and recession. Core inflation, which excludes volatile energy, food, alcohol, tobacco prices, was 7.1% year-on-year in May, up from 6.8% in April and the highest rate since March 1992. The core inflation is nonsense. It's way higher than this because you lot them excluding energy, food, already over here in England, food inflation is up 20%. That's just from the calculations alone. Food is up 20%. So it looks good on paper for them to exclude the food, alcohol, tobacco prices, you know, and then look, anyway, Bank of England surpasses with 50 basis point rate hike to tackle persistent inflation. It's crazy. So we posted earlier on in the week about the Bitcoin ETF that BlackRock filed for. So now we have this now. Leverage Bitcoin futures ETF to start trading Tuesday, sponsor says. Volatility shares say its 2x leverage Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund will be based on CME Bitcoin future prices. Volatility shares 2x Bitcoin strategy ETF BitX will become the first leveraged crypto ETF available in the United States after the US Securities and Exchange Commission SEC let it go effective on Friday. An executive at the company told CoinDesk. The regulator has not denied the application for the 2x ETF. Volatility shares Chief Investment Officer Stuart Barton said, paving the way for its launch this up and coming Tuesday. It's exciting to see digital assets in the ETF wrapper, Barton says. So the ETF will be launched on Tuesday. BitX, and it's a 2x Bitcoin ETF. So lastly but not least, my people, look, let's reload the page, make sure this is the correct information that we've got here. Lastly but not least, we've got total liquidations, and we can see in the last 24 hours, $142.97 million wrecked. So of that wreckage, 58.29 million were those that went long, and 89.68 million was those that went short. So my people, I appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.